Hey guys, so I'm starting out with these humongous 40-ounce curved tumblers. These are from Makerflow. Then using Mattify to prep. And once that was dry, using the blush Colorfix paint and one of our large brushes to brush that on. I'm gonna do a couple of coats of the paint. Since we are leaving it this color, we're not doing any glitter or anything on top of most of the cup. So I really want this color to be nice and beautiful and even. So I ended up doing 3 coats of the blush paint. Some colors you can get away with 1 coat, some you'll need 3. It just depends on the color for some reason. Then we're doing one in black for the Groom. So this is a bride and groom cup set for my friend, and this was actually filmed in either September or October of last year. That's how long I've been waiting to edit this video. It has taken way too long, I know. Now I'm going to use some Shape Tape. This is our double-sided adhesive sheets. Putting it onto my mat, and here you can see, you can pause to see my settings if you want to. We are cutting through the top layer and the sticky layer. So we just are peeling off around the letters and then like the inside of the letters. So then taking some transfer tape, we're going to get off the top layer and the sticky layer. Make sure you get the sticky layer on there because that's what you want on your cup. Then I'm taking this tool from Cami Page Boutique. It is amazing to line up my Shape Tape on there nice and straight. So then the misses on the blush cup.
I'll be your light, I'll keep you from darkness, even when the sun don't shine.
Then I am taking some silver and gold foil sheets. These I just got from Amazon. I'll link them below if I can find it. And you're just gonna peel that off and you're gonna rub around and just be gentle with it. If you rub too hard where the Shape Tape is, it kind of discolors and dulls the silver shine. So I try to be careful with that. I take some transfer tape and try to get the little bits off that it kind of makes a mess around the edges. Once you do it, it's easy. It's the cleaning up part that's hard. I even took a needle pen to kind of get around those edges and get those little loose edges off. Then it was time for misses. This is more of a rose gold color. So same thing, just kind of place it on, rub it off, and then take some time with the cleanup. So then we're just adding their last name and their wedding date in some white vinyl. So again, lining it up with the tool from Cami Page.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say
Then I added this verse from Song of Solomon. This was what he used in their proposal. It was a really cute story. So they wanted this verse incorporated on their cup. So I just printed it out and placed it on the back. Then I did 2 more layers of epoxy to finish off these cups.
Take you there.
Then once it was done, I wanted a matte finish. I love a matte finish and it would look gorgeous on these cups. So using the Mattify and one of our white pads and just scrub for, 5 minutes-ish on each cup until I got that beautiful matte finish, nice and even. And this is how they turned out. I love how they turned out. I love that they're huge cups. They turned out absolutely beautiful. This is the beautiful bride getting her cup. And I also wanted to show you guys, I did this technique with some different cups that I did for an event for my church that we did. And this one says Royal. I want to remake this cup for me. I love this purple and just the foil.
And I want to take you there.
And of course, you can see I love the matte finish better here. Just wanted to show you those examples. So then here's all the cups I ended up with. Then I wanted to show you guys the new bridal collection. We've got Veil, Vintage Lace, Princess Bride. This is coming soon. Mother of the Bride, Maid of Honor, and First Kiss. I will link these down below when they are available. Something Blue, Honeymoon, and Getaway. Then we have Wedding Cake, Off the Market, and Champagne. And finally, Cocktail Hour, Something Old, and Suit and Tie. Just such a beautiful collection. I'm so excited about them. 15 custom colors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.